My name is Tamia Harris, and this is my first YouTube channel. This guy right next to me is my brother Ryan.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
I have two brothers. This is Ryan, and one name's my son. You'll see him later in the videos. I'm so excited but nervous. I'm really shy in real life, and right now, it's pretty late here. It's like 1:30 a.m. But anyways, for this channel, I'll be like doing cooking stuff. I'll cook stuff, and I'll be doing like my brother's sister's challenge and like vlogs and stuff. And I'll try to post weekly. Probably want to know a little bit about me. I love my family. I really do. If you don't know this. I go to church mostly every Sunday. Mostly. I skip sometimes. I am 17 years of age. I like writing and baking in Georgia. And yeah, that's about it. Well, till next time, I hope to see you again.